To be honest, I don't have much new to say about Kyoto. I only hope I can offer something that is aesthetically pleasing. Hopefully it's something. I'm like a kid in a candy shop. Early morning, 6 a.m. almost, in Kyoto. And I couldn't sleep last night because I was just thinking about walking around the dark and deserted streets of Kyoto. It's such a picturesque place. I've been here many times before, but it's always been in the front of my mind to take an early morning walk and capture the moments when nobody else is around. Those are the best moments. I can smell the fresh pine, fresh wood scent around here. There's a lot of refurbished buildings. The smell of the wood is pretty predominant, actually. I didn't really have a plan, didn't really have a destination in mind. Just knew I wanted to get up before everybody else. I just think it's cool that if you get up a little bit early, you can see the streets in their quietest mode, beat the crowds. Because Kyoto has so much beauty to offer that it's often obstructed by crowds and tourists, of course. I'm one of them. But I'm on my own in the morning. It's good. I have a pretty good feeling of where I'm going. Having been here a few times, I'm aware of kind of the basic layout, but still no destination in mind, really. Early morning walks in Japan are the best. And probably walking through Kyoto in the early morning is probably the cream of the crop for early morning walks. But that's just me. And I gotta say, every time I come here, I love it. Can't beat the serenity and history of it. It's a very special place. And I feel like I'm doing it a disservice to walk around in the middle of the day with all the other crowds.